Today, more than 7 years after Tony Timpa died in custody of Dallas police, the civil trial against 4 officers began. It was back in 2016 that Timpa died, less than an hour after officers responded to his 911 call for help. Investigative reporter Brian Yu has been in federal court all day today in Dallas. Brian, as we know, no cameras or even cell phones allowed inside the courtroom, so you are, of course, the eyes and ears. What can you tell us about day 1 of the trial?
Yeah, Ken, opening statements are actually underway as we speak. We just heard from the attorneys for the Timpa family. They said this case comes down to a broken promise when someone calls 911. They then showed the jurors the police body camera video shortly after Tony Timpa called 911 nearly 7 years ago. We're about to show you part of that video. And as the jurors were warned, some may find some of it hard to watch.
Dallas 911, where's your emergency?
It's been more than 7 years since that night when Tony Timpa was in need of help and called Dallas police.
You're gonna kill me. I'm not gonna kill you.
But a lawsuit filed by the Timpa family claims help is not what the 32-year-old got. When officers arrived, they cuffed Timpa's hands, zip-tied his feet, and pinned him face down. Timpa, who told the dispatcher he was off his medication, was in the midst of a mental health crisis.
Help me! Help me!
The video shows Officer Dustin Dillard with his knee on Timpa's back for more than 13 minutes. And when Timpa went silent...
Tony! Talk to school. Wake up.
The lawsuit claims officers joked instead of checking to see if he was still alive.
Is he breathing? Hope that ain't killing.
By the time Timpa was loaded into the ambulance, he was dead.
Nobody should ever have to go through this.
Prior to the judge placing a gag order on everyone involved with the trial, Timpa's mother shared with us her frustration with waiting for years for the case to go to trial.
I haven't been able to have any closure. With no apologies, no admitting anything other than they said they made a mistake.
Inside the federal courthouse this week, a key piece of evidence in the trial will likely be Timpa's autopsy report. The medical examiner lists the manner of death as homicide, but the cause was due to several factors, including the toxic effects of cocaine and stress associated with physical restraint. The report allows both sides to make their case on what caused Timpa to die. The defense in court records claims the drugs, not the officer's actions, are to blame. Timpa's mother sees it different.
Everybody wants the police to serve them and be protective, not kill people and lie about it. How can anybody be like that? I don't understand.
Now, it is important to emphasize that this is the civil case. Several years ago, all criminal charges against the officers were dropped. Karen, all 4 officers were in court today.
And Brian, I know that most of the day was taken up by jury selection. So were you able to take anything away from that process?
Yeah, sometimes, Karen, you can get some themes of the case by listening to the questions, and there was really 2 that stood out. One, we heard a lot of questions to the jurors about their thoughts of whether they think law enforcement is judged fairly. There was also a lot of questions about their opinions on how law enforcement treats people with mental health issues.
Brian, we know that cases like these, oftentimes they do take years. We've seen that. But what are the reasons that this case has taken 7 full years to get to this point today?
Yeah, Ken, there are really 2 main reasons for that. One is that criminal case that we talked about. That had to be played out first. The other is that the city of Dallas fought this from even going to trial, appealing it all the way to the Supreme Court. Those are the 2 reasons, Ken, that this has taken 7 years to get to today.
Yeah. All right, Brian, thank you very much for that live report. Very emotional day 1 of this trial. We look forward to the rest of your reporting, Brian. Thank you.